Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best insulated lunchbox for girls, the RHCPFOVR Kids Lunch Bag in the charming purple butterfly design. This lunch bag isn't just cute, it's built for practicality and durability, perfect for school, daycare, picnics, or any outing. First off, it boasts a large capacity with smart compartments. Measuring about 10.2 inches long, 7.4 inches wide, and 4.5 inches high. It fits popular lunchboxes like bento, juice boxes, utensils, ice packs, plus extra zipper pockets inside and out for napkins, notes, or snacks. The insulation is a key highlight, designed to keep food fresh and maintain the right temperature all day. Whether warm meals or chilled snacks, the insulated lining combined with ice packs helps preserve food quality until mealtime. Durability is impressive, too. Made from high-quality 600D polyester with PIVA lining, it stands up well to daily kid use. Thickened handles and sturdy zippers add resilience, while leak-resistant materials prevent spills from ruining the bag or contents. Maintenance is easy. Just wipe clean with a damp cloth. Avoid submerging in water to protect insulation and structure. The purple butterfly pattern is playful yet stylish, perfect for girls who want a standout lunch bag that's age-appropriate. Features include an adjustable strap for comfort, an inner mesh bag, a front zipper pocket, and a side pocket for water bottles, thoughtful details for convenience. Weighing only about 5.6 ounces, it's lightweight enough for kids to carry comfortably. Plus, it meets safety standards, free from BPA, PVC, and harmful chemicals, ensuring a safe lunch environment. To sum up, the RHCPFOVR Kids Lunch Bag blends style, function, and durability into a fantastic insulated lunchbox for girls. Ideal for school or weekend adventures, it keeps meals fresh, organized, and mess-free. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.